To start, open your mobile app and enter your credentials. Make sure you input your username and password correctly to access your dashboard. This is the first step in managing your service requests. Once logged in, you'll see the main dashboard, which is your central hub for all actions. Now let's move on to navigating the dashboard. After logging in, locate the three lines or hamburger menu on your dashboard. This menu gives you access to various features, including your service requests. Clicking on the hamburger menu is essential for moving forward in the approval process. Let's see how to access your service requests from here. Once you open the side menu, click on My Service Request. This section displays all your service tickets organized by location. It's your main area for managing ongoing requests and tracking their status. Now let's explore how to filter these tickets to find those needing quote approval. In the My Service Request section, you'll see all tickets related to your locations. This overview helps you monitor the progress and status of each request. You can scroll through the list to check details and identify which tickets require your attention. Next, we'll learn how to filter tickets by their status. To approve a quote, you need to filter tickets by their status. Select the filter labeled Quote Submitted and press OK. This action will display only those tickets where a quote has been submitted and is pending your approval. Filtering helps you focus on tasks that require immediate action, making your workflow more efficient. Let's see how the filtered tickets appear on your screen. Now you can see all tickets with submitted quotes that are pending approval. Click on a ticket to view its quotation details. Carefully review the information provided, including pricing and service scope. When you're ready, click on Approve to finalize the approval. This step ensures that only valid and reviewed quotes are accepted. Let's look at the approval interface and how to confirm your decision. Apart from the mobile app, you can also approve quotes through email. When a service provider submits a quotation, you'll receive an email notification. Area coaches and higher authorities are included in this process. Click on the provided link in the email to access the approval screen. This method is convenient for those who prefer handling approvals outside the app. Let's see how the email approval screen looks. After clicking the link in your email, you'll be directed to a screen displaying all service request details. Review the quotation information carefully, just as you would in the app. When satisfied, click on Approve to confirm your decision. This completes the approval process, ensuring that all quotes are reviewed and authorized efficiently. With both app and email options, approving service request quotations is now easier than ever.